We shall be learning how to simplify logarithmic expressions, and on the board we have one of such expressions to simplify. So looking at this expression, we can simplify the first term. The first term here is logarithm half multiplied by logarithm to base 10 of 25 over 4 minus 2 multiplied by logarithm to base 10 of 4 over 5 plus logarithm to base 10 of 320 over 125. So in order to simplify this logarithm, first of all I must make sure all the factors multiplying the logarithms are laid off by any law of logarithm that is suitable. If we look at this first term of this expression, we can actually lay off this 1 over 2 by applying the power law of logarithm. This 1 over 2 can be translated to become the power of 25 over 4. Similarly, the second term, 2 can be translated to become the power of 4 over 5. So we are going to use that means to eliminate these factors multiplying any of the logarithms. So for the first term, we are going to rewrite it as logarithm to base 10 of 25 all over 4 all raised to the power of half minus the same thing happens in the second term, logarithm to base 10 of 4 all divided by 5 all raised to the power of 2 plus logarithm to base 10 of 320 divided by 125. Good. Now in this case, now we are going to simplify each of these powers if there is. Now for the first term, we have it to be equal to logarithm to base 10. Now 25 divided by 4 raised to the power of half is the same thing as the square root of 25 divided by 4. So we are going to simplify it as such. Now taking the square root of a fraction means taking the square root of the numerator, taking the square root of the denominator. So the square root of 25 in the numerator is going to give us 5, as we already know, because 5 times 5 gives us 25. Square root of 4 in the denominator gives us 2, because 2 times 2 is equal to 4, minus in the second term we are going to simplify 4 over 5 raised to the power of 2 as taking the square of the numerator and taking the square of the denominator. So 4 squared is going to give us 16, that is 4 times 4, divided by 5 squared is going to give us 25 in the denominator, plus logarithm to base 10 of 320 divided by 125. Sorry, this 125. So at this stage we are going to apply the laws of logarithm. So applying the laws of logarithm, this is going to give us logarithm to base 10 of 5 divided by 2, and because there is minus here, it becomes division when you are applying the laws of logarithm, because from the laws of logarithm we are meant to understand that if you are subtracting logarithms of the same base, then you should divide their names. That's why the subtraction between these two logarithms is giving us the division of their names. We have divided by 16 all over 25. Then for the last expression we have a plus sign which translates to multiplication for the laws of logarithm. So times 320 divided by 125. Everything here is together. So this is going to give us logarithm to base 10 of 5 all over 2 multiplied by, we're going to change this division sign to multiplication, thereby taking the reciprocal of the divisor, which is 16 over 25. So that gives us 25 divided by 16, then multiplied by 320 divided by 125. Good. So at this stage we are going to reduce these fractions to their lowest term, but before we do that, we are going to have this as logarithm to base 10 of 5 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 320 all divided by 2 multiplied by 16 multiplied by 125. So I'm going to reduce these fractions to their lowest term. So we are going to use 16 as a common factor, because 16 can divide itself once and can divide 320 times. Also, we will use 25 as a common factor. So 25 divides itself once, 25 divides 125 5 times. Again, we can also use 2 as a common factor. So, but before that, let's rewrite this as, so that we have a clearer view. So this is going to be 10 of 5 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 20 all divided by 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 5. So here again, because this one numbers we are rewriting are the numbers that resulted from the the division of each of the numbers by their common factors. So here again we have 2 as a common factor, which we divide 2 once, and we divide 20 10 times. We also have 5 as a common factor, which we divide 5 once and divide this 5 in the numerator once. So that is going to give us log to base 10 of 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 10, all divided by 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. So this is going to give log to base 10 of 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 10 in the numerator is going to give us 10, divided by 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 in the denominator is going to give us 1. So this is going to produce log to base 10 of 10, because 10 over 1 is equal to 10. So if we have log to base 10 of 10, our answer is going to be equal to 1, from the law of logarithm that says if we have a logarithm of a number to a base that is equal to that number, the answer is 1. So this is going to give us 1 as the final answer. So we are going to pause here. That is the solution to this logarithmic expression which we have been given to simplify, and all other simplifications of logarithmic expressions of this kind follow a similar method. So thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified whenever my forthcoming videos on logarithm have been posted. Thank you very much. Stay safe.